Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Keep Notes to another account. First, log into your Google Keep account at keep.google.com. Enter your email address and password, then click Next to access your notes. Find the note you want to share and click to open it. Click the collaborator icon at the bottom of the note. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. Click on their name when it appears, then click Save. And that's it. That's how to transfer Google Keep Notes to another account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.